Okay. Nice.
Because we are speaking English slowly, and our English is understandable. Then
Yeah.
I would say that our English is good. And suppose we are speaking English very fast, and our English is not understandable.
So good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm doing good. So could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah. As we know that we are connecting first time, so it would be better if we start our conversation with short introduction. Thanks for
Sure.
giving me this chance to introduce myself. My name is Vivek Chauhan, and I am from UP, District Bijnor. If I talk about my qualification, I am postgraduate in English, and if I talk about my profession, by profession I am a teacher. I am a private teacher, not government, and basically my teaching subject is English.
Okay,
And
nice.
I am running a YouTube channel named English with Village Teacher, where I upload English conversational videos. That's all about me.
Okay, okay, nice. So yes, I also want to introduce myself to you. Okay. So my
Yes.
name is Nutan and I'm from Mathura. Okay, and I'm a homemaker. I run a YouTube channel as well, and I'm blessed with two kids. And yes, I'm graduate. So this is all. Thank you.
When did you
Am I?
start your channel?
I didn't get you. Please repeat it again.
When did you start your YouTube channel?
It's been 3 years,
3 years. Oh, good.
but I was not consistent enough that I should have been earlier.
Okay.
Yeah,
So who motivated you to start a YouTube channel?
it is only me.
Okay. So which type of videos do you upload there?
I upload a lot of videos like talking about like my journey, my experiences, whatever I feel about this learning English language, and sometimes some vocabularies, some grammatical rules, and most of the time like thinking in English and how to think in English and how can we boost our confidence, how can we remove the hesitation and all this kind of concepts I use.
Mm. Which type of strategies do you follow to learn this language?
I- all the time what I do, I used to read books. Okay, and sometimes what I do, I used to collect words, search words from the dictionaries. Okay, and whenever I like come across any particular concrete word, I used to search that word's meaning and then used to write down in my diary. And sometimes I used to use that particular word in a sentence, make sentences. I used to make sentences over that particular word. That's how I think I have been using this kind of idea, I would say.
So did you face any difficulty in starting time?
Yes, of course, a lot of hurdles, I would say. Like I was so hesitant earlier. If I tell you, like 3 years ago, since when I started making my own videos, I was like very hesitant, very shy person I was. And I was like somebody has made me sit in front of the camera and talking in English. Okay, and sometimes I feel like I am a robot. I'm talking many times. I make mistakes. I feel like I am taking a lot of poses and all, and I take a lot of takes, cuts while making my videos.
But now it's okay.
It's completely okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Do you
anything
use
you
this
you can
application every
ask.
day?
Sorry,
Do you use this application every day?
Skype. Are you
Yes.
talking about? It's been 20 or 22 days. Earlier I didn't have any clue that there is any kind of such app like we can connect with people and all. Yeah, I knew that there are like English Yari, Ace Fluency, and another apps like but I didn't have the courage, because as I feel, according to me, courage is the most crucial part to speak in English. Because since we have a lot of things, like we have a lot of knowledge about like grammar, words, vocabularies, structures, we know everything. And unless we start to speak one sentence, unless we take that initiative, unless we have that kind of courage, we cannot I would say we cannot just speak a single sentence. We cannot like put our thoughts to others in English, as I feel.
If we are not courageous, then we can't do anything.
Yeah, we must have that courageous enough, and we need to assemble that courage when it comes to talk in English. So
Yes.
earlier I didn't have any partners. So 20 or 22 2 days ago, I just got connected with this app, and since then I have been like talking with people, and just yeah, intensify my confidence as well.
So what do you think about this application?
I don't feel. I feel okay, good. It's good, but I think there are some people that they are not good enough. As I feel, it's my personal opinion. Okay, I feel like some people are like uh, kind of. I'm not getting the exact word, but yeah, they are not good. They are like a different kind of person. So I
Many
choose
co-learners
whom
are
I have
using
to
this
connect with. Sorry.
so many co-learners are using this application.
Yeah, but yeah, as I know, as I told you that it's my personal opinion. So never ever tried that I have to connect with all the people, like whosoever is messaging me. No, I first choose. First I have to take some moments for the decision. Then I'll have to connect with the particular person or not, because respect comes first for me. Priority is that the self respect should be remained. So I don't want to that anybody that who can assassinate my kind of respect. That is why.
Yes, yes, you are right. You are right. If you have any question, then you can ask me.
uh, yeah, I will be asking to you. The thing is, yeah, what you say, like according to you, what is the like fluency?
Fluency means like if you are speaking English well, then your fluency is good. Suppose you are speaking very fast and your sentence is wrong, then I won't say that your English is good.
Okay, nice.
Because
And,
we are speaking English slowly, and our English is understandable. Then
yeah.
I would say that our English is good. And suppose we are speaking English very fast, and our English is not understandable.
So yeah, anything you want to ask or share with me?
No. The thing is that someone is calling me.
Okay. So I would like to tell you that you upload this video, okay? This video you
Okay, okay.
upload, okay? And another video, if you like, we can have this right now again.
Okay, okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Nice to talk to you. Have a nice day.